Okay, it's windy, so hopefully you guys can hear everything okay. So it is warming up outside. This is March the 9th, I think. And I am cutting down and cutting back a lot of my winter stuff. So these two pieces of ornamental grass are getting cut down. I had another one there. Had another one there, and some people are going to think I'm crazy, but I also cut my coral bells all the way back. I've got to do this guy next. This was a daylily, and there's a daylily. I'm going to be leaving, I'm going to make sure I pile some of the mulch around it back on top of the daylily because I have new growth coming up. But what I don't want to do is not remove this whole big pile like this and then end up having the plant suffer because of the new growth can't make it through when it's time. So, and it'll just be easy enough. It'll look horrible, but I've got to remulch this whole bed here before too long. So I'll just grab a rake and some of this mulch that's all pushed down, we'll just throw on top of that when we're done. So I'm going to get busy and get this done. The wind is blowing some of my crap, so I'll have to grab a rake here in a couple. So all that was there and the wind is blowing it. So I'm going to go ahead and get busy. Nala's out here playing in the yard. And then hopefully I can get the pampas grass cut as well. So time to get busy, guys. It's a beautiful day. It's 50 some degrees, so it's actually really pretty today. I just have a light flannel jacket on. So, okay, I'm going to get busy. Bye.